Hi guys, here at Kidwelly level crossing Carmarthanshire with Callow. Sorry to start there. I was trying to get my camera but it was stuck. A little bit fast. Oof, moany. Let me find the right phone. There we go now. The time is 15:07 on Thursday the 31st of March 2016. And this is for our 1512, 1 Victor 4039. A reef train process from Milford Haven to Manchester Piccadilly to Milford Haven. And our 1518, probably, knowing how early we're going, might stay 1 Whiskey 70, Carmarthan Manchester Piccadilly, reef train warehouse. Now, each crossing I've been to today so far has a different variation set up. Here it has the barriers both on the same side now. Back to where I was before.
It has not been possible to connect your call.
Well, that's nice. Let's try this one. Oh, and if you can see over there, there's an old barrier. God, my service isn't that bad. It's 4 bars. Is it going to connect or not?
Hello, Matthew.
Hi, Adam.
Alright.
Yes. Have a guess where I am right now.
Lobby.
Yep.
Ah!
Hold on.
I just got a call from I'll call you back in like 10 minutes.
Okay, that'll be fine. Okay, ignoring that idea. Right, where was I? And apparently there are minor delays on the trains today because of signalling problems. I don't know if it means here. You can see we have automatic signals. Oh well. Oh, here she is. Oh. 175, 110! 175, 110. Why is 110 two carriages? Oh well. 175, 110 to Milford Haven. Sorry, Adam. I'm currently at Kidwelly. Are we staying?
That's alright.
Yep, up we go. Lights out.
What did you want?
Oh no, I was just calling you to randomly give you an update. Thanks for watching the next video.